Why let your hard-earned money just sit
Hello, can I be heard? I don't know. Looks like I'm undergoing some technical glitch. Can I be heard? I don't know. Looks like I'm doing some technical glitch. So I'm having a feedback that I can be heard, but being seen because I'm not sure if I could be heard. Neither can I sure if I could be seen. But I think I know that I can be heard. But then I don't know what's wrong with my visuals. So I'm having a feedback that I can be heard, but being seen because I'm not sure if I could be heard. Neither can I sure if I could be seen. I know that I can be heard, but then I don't know what's wrong with my visuals. Hello. Good morning this morning, and welcome to another section of Market Wash Live with Gilbert Joekpata. What will bring you the three market events you should watch out for. Also, do some price action, with a large level of certainty. We tell you what the market is about to do next, and we're diving into very interesting times and segment of the market where everybody asks the question we've been answering: are we in the bull market or the bear market? Has already begun, and we've done a lot. And we want to build of certainty that every market watcher knows exactly what's happening in the market. Is this true? Does every market watcher know what's happening in the market? But looking into what BTC is doing, over $91,959. What's happening? What's happening? Bitcoin is beginning to look bullish, and the question is why? What's happening? What's happening? Why is Bitcoin looking bullish? But then I think we're able to answer most of this question for those of you who watched my last live on TV station, where we do of what's happening to the price of BTC, the risks BTC has, the risks of micro strategies selling, and micro strategies not just saying they're gonna sell, they're just having that contingency on the table. Oh, good lord! I'm really hoping network is allowing me have a free day. At some point, we would have thought that we've moved past At some point, we would have thought that we've passed the network giving us this, messing up. It's like we're beating back and back on the circle. But one thing that I know which is certain, we're not going to move into six with this kind of technical glitch and challenge. So BTC is looking bullish because of the interest rate decision by Wednesday. So we're going to dive more into why on Wednesday and because of this bit looking kind of bullish. But then, without further ado, let's dive into the three market events we are watching out for. As CSAR culture and also a tradition, you have the Smart Investors Lodge watch, where we give you the three market events we are watching out for. Hang on. So, our three market event we're watching out for, top on our list started today, which is the Beldex BDS network, upgrade. So a major upgrade is happening in Beldex, where it's gonna reduce, more like a proof size and also improve scalability and enabling faster private transactions. So transaction on this network is about to become more private, faster, at the same time also scalable. Second on our list is happening which is the Horizon XEM mainnet launch. So Horizon is going live. They're going live. Their mainnet is going live, and of course, it's going live on the base network. Also, giving EVM compatibility environment and stronger privacy focus and making it developers and user friendly at the same time. So lots of happening. The mainnet launch for Horizon is major if you ask me. And last but not the least is the Fed's interest rate decision, which is happening on Wednesday. This is quite a key macro event that is not just going to impact the global liquidity, it's also going to influence the sentiment of the cryptocurrency market and as well the stock market. But as crypto investors, why is this important to us? Because you could see this is why the market is giving us this kind of good looks, you see, because many persons, including top analysts, pricing in a chance that we're going to have a 25% rate cut. So these are the three market events we're watching out for. Don't forget that if you must invest or trade this market, you have to invest and trade this market smartly. But then let's dive into some technicals of the day. Let's do some technicals. What the CTC is BTC saying? So why BTC load? Stay with stay. Please, anyone who is with this too. So let me know, can I be seen right now? No, I should have to restart all of this process. Am I screen can be seen? So lots is happening in the price of BTC. Question is what then is really happening? But then it makes me ask what has really changed in the market. Nothing has really changed, for the price of BTC. So last week we were right here and you there were some major rejection at the 93K zone. So this was quite. I told you regardless, BTC looks like almost ready just to break this support level. For the first time. But then we have two liquidity zones we should be watching out for. Liquidity one is 100K zone. Liquidity two is about 107K zone. And what I told you that even if BTC forms to all-time high, which is this bull market, which is a breakup top, all of these levels are your opportunity to see opportunity to buy, except you're in the market short term where you're taking short term trades, which I understand because this is presently a trader's market and not an investor market. Investors always trading or investing in circles. So every pump you have a breakup top are your levels for you to exit the market, meaning we have topped or we are near the top since we haven't had a breakout top yet. However, we have topped or we are near the top. And why break if we break the multi-year level support, you should be playing defense. You should be selling those assets you already had profits, sell off weak assets into stronger assets. And so, look, diving into the new investment trading week in our four as smart investors going into the new investment trading week. So, for you should know how liquidity one are liquidity, two are liquidity one is so yeah, liquidity two, which are levels BTC may test. As we keep diving further into the market, we still have right here our 90K, this are 93K level, which they kept getting rejected. But there's something stock which is something called a bear trap. So BTC is forming a bear trap, which means that sellers are getting exhausted in the market, but the persons that may get it, so it's always characterized by this. Hang on, let me draw it. First of all, I'm drawing, but then the fit improv.